Hello viewers, you're welcome back to class. Okay, if you're just joining my channel, please do well to watch till the end. Do not forget to like the video, leave a comment in the comment section, and lastly subscribe. Today we're going to be learning about place and value. What is the place and also the value of numbers? Let's get right into it. We have a question on the board that says find the place of the underlined digits. Okay, now the first question we have 6754018. What does that even mean? So for us to know the actual number, we have to separate our numbers with what? Commas. Now let's go. Solution. Now number one, we have 6754018. And then we'll separate it by counting three numbers, then with a comma. 1, 2, 3, with your comma. And we're asked to find the place of 7 in this digits. How do we, in these numbers rather, how do we figure that out? Now let's start labeling these numbers one at a time so I can find out which was the place of this number 7. Now the place of 9 here is what? Units. The place of 8 here is tens. The place of 1 here is 100. The place of 0 here is what? After 100 we have 1000. The place of 4 here is 10,000. Right? After 10,000, what do we have? 100,000. Okay? And after 100,000, we have millions. And after millions, we have 10 million. Good. So now we can say that the place of 7 or of the digit 7 is millions. And that's the answer. I hope this helps you know how to solve questions regarding place and value. Now let's move on to question 2. We have 9, 8, 5, 4, 6, 9, 7, and 2. So we have to spread the numbers out very well. Okay, so we can now label them. So we are looking for the place of 6 in this question. Now the place of 2 is units, 7 is tens, 9 is 100. Place of 6 is what? 1000. The place of 4 is what? 10,000. And the place of 5 is 100,000. And the place of 8 is million. And the place of 9 is 10 million. So what is the place of 6? The place of 6 is 1000. And on the right, the place of 6 of the digit 6 is thousands. Okay? Sorry, thousands. It is not in decimal. Thousands. Alright, number 3. 2, 5, 4, 3, 1, 8, 9, 0. And we're asked to find the digits, the place of the digit 2. So we can separate with commas first of all, right, to know the position of the numbers. So 0 is units, this is tens, 100, 1000, 1000, 30 tens, 100, 400,000, 5 million, and 2 10 million. So that's 20 million. Okay? So this means that the place of 2 here is 10 millions. Okay, 10 millions. After this, we're going to learn how to what? Find the value of numbers in digits. Okay, in couple of numbers like this. If you're just joining my channel, please like the video, leave a comment in the comment box, and do not forget to lastly subscribe. And you can also share the video. Let's continue. Question 4. We have 50214376. And we're asked to find the place of 6. So we're going to separate our numbers with commas first of all, and then we look for the place of each digit. Then we can finally find the place of 0. 6 units, 7 tenths, 300, 4,000, 1 million, 20 million. Sorry. 4,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. Good. So this means that the place of 0 here is million. Millions. Right. Okay, let's move on to the last question. We have 7146891. And we're asked to look for the place of the digit 4. Alright? And 1 is the units, 2 tenths, 900, 8,000, 6 10,000, 400,000, 1 million, and 7 10 million. Alright, so now the place of the digit 4 is 100,000. Alright, and there you have it. This is the answer for this last question. The place of the digit 4 is 100,000. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. Please sit back and I'll see you when I see you. Have a wonderful day and bye for now.